welcome to, if you can sort of guess, maybe you can sort of guess, I did put it in the intro to this vlog, but welcome to Boardwalk. This is a brand new resort for us to be staying at. We have visited here quite a lot. We're very, very excited to actually finally be staying here. It's only just gone midday.
Don't lie, it's only not even midday yet. Two more minutes.
And we have checked out Animal Kingdom Lodge, come over to Boardwalk, and both of our rooms are ready, which is amazing. So we're in our rooms. We have brought some of our luggage across with us.
So just turned to himself in the pram.
We've brought some of our luggage across with us, but we've got the rest of it being brought over from Animal Kingdom. So we've been able to get a little bit settled, and we've just booked lightning lanes to go into Hollywood Studios. So we've got some rides
just over there.
So we've got some rides ready to go on this afternoon. If you're new here, I'm Katie.
I'm Dean.
And in here, we have a little baby boy, Myles. He needs a snooze. So we're trying to get him to have a snooze. We're going to take Mum and Dad on the Skyliner because they've never gone in it before, to have a leisurely ride over to Hollywood Studios. And then
on to rides. And the first one we've got is Mickey Mouse,
which starts in half an hour. So we've got an hour and a half to get over there. And then I would like a run to wrap. But for now, let's fill up our resort mugs and go have a Hollywood Studios afternoon.
Let's go. The brand new cake bake shop. Yeah, we're debating whether to get one of the giant slices of the cake to share between all four of us. We shall see.
No, he's got hold on. It'll cool down in here in a second.
Ready? There goes.
Ready, and here we go. Woo! Whoa!
Good job I'm not standing up. Oh, this is really cool.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway.
Yeah, it's Epcot. I was
We're
going to
flying
say
to
This
Disney's
is Ratatouille.
And then, yeah, this is
for the
Ratatouille.
final stop at Disney's Caribbean
yes.
Beach Resort.
We're back on the Skyliner.
Soon we'll be flying past Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas.
This is where we're
This
staying.
charming lakeside resort offers magical lounges, enchanting restaurants, and live entertainment on the boardwalk.
Love the Skyliner. So much easier with children, or like little ones, because they can just be rolled straight on.
You said though you tried to get it off backwards, it was a bit
Oh yeah,
stiff.
it's not the one.
So you need to turn the pram around so you can drive it off. Resort mug on the Skyliner. The nice thing is the door's not wrapped. Mandalorian. The Mandalorian. It's already on my shirt. Mando.
That's excellent.
I'll look right here. 3, 2, and 1. Stands quickly.
What is everyone else having?
Dean is in his happy place. What do we think, parents? We're now officially in Disney because we're just perched somewhere trying to eat.
There's trash coming as well.
Yeah, I know.
Over there.
first ride in Hollywood Studios. It's time for Runaway Railway.
Railway?
Railway.
Railway. Right, Jonathan Ross. Runaway Railway.
We actually have a pin for this, so we'll have to see if there's another one. Remember, because this is
Oh, yeah,
our first ever ride breakdown.
Best date night ever.
Or ride eat back.
Yeah. So, just after we checked in, we managed to get a Tower of Terror one for basically straight away. Don't know if that was lucky or just it's not been very popular today. Could be a sign of things to come.
Good day, good food, good lightning lane. We only decided to buy lightning lane for this like
Yesterday.
yesterday.
Or just
No,
two days ago.
maybe 2 days ago.
Because we weren't sure what time we'd get in, so we thought, oh, we'll just have a check last minute. Literally everything wanted so far has been available.
They do sell out of lightning lanes on like actually before the actual day. So even before the 3 days out sometimes. So if you're staying off site, that's a real disadvantage now. It's like Thingy Dog Dash was gone. We've managed to get that for later on in the trip. But yeah, they really want you staying on site.
Yes, they do. Nothing can go wrong.
We're off to the park.
See you all later.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We're very
We're going to get on that. Do you want to go on the choo-choo?
Yes.
One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thank you for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Tower of Terror done. We were on and off of that so quickly with Lightning Lane. Yeah. And now, cannot remember where we get a num num. Is it here? Cool. Jack, cookie num num? Yeah. Dean's on the job. What's the consistency? Does it look decent?
It's nice and warm.
I don't think so.
There it is. Wait. Yeah, look, this is a really cool area. Like, this used to be completely deserted. We just used to come and sit and eat our Jack Num Num and nothing else was here. And now you've got Mike and Sully, Frozone, Mrs. Incredible, Joy, Edna Mode. It's really good.
Darlings.
Darling. No kids. No kids.
Hello, travelers.
Mum escaped.
This.
They sense fear, Mum. I know they do.
Thank you. Excited?
Yes.
Nervous?
A little bit.
Right, on this ride you get to be one of three things.
Okay.
You can either fly,
Yeah.
it depends give you what we are. You can either be a pilot, a gunner or an engineer. So we'll see what we get.
Oh, you can't pick though.
You can ask, but it just adds to the time.
Hello, my friends. I am Otto Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cow. Pilot on the left. Stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. I hope you're good show. Weapons are online. They're locked onto us. Take evasive action.
But the pilots were awful, dreadful. They wasn't doing it right.
They didn't do anything. They just sat there watching it. So we got at one point we were just dragging the floor. It was like,
Hit your flashing buttons. You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot
Finally trying the green and the blue milk.
Oh, I did that at the end.
That tastes like Miles' medicine.
that's nice. Blue milk for the win.
Blue, team blue milk. Yeah, I don't like that one.
Bit perfumey.
Oh yeah, it does. It smells like an antibiotic. Oh yeah.
It's quite nice.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm not a massive fan.
Brain freeze?
Hold on, my tooth. We have absolutely smashed Lightning Lane today. We had our three.
Well, considering when we started, Lightning was 12:30.
Yeah, that's true actually, yeah. So we did our three that you could pre-book, and then we also got Tower of Terror and Smuggler's Run. So yeah, we've done some good ones.
Which your parents really liked.
Yeah, they did. We'll have inserted some footage. We all got gunners. No, we didn't. We all got engineers. And that's not
We didn't know what we were about.
true.
But switches.
The last one is Star Tours. Oh, Goofy is out. Oh, Goofy and Max are out together. If you can see in the background, that's quite rare that they do that.
Unless you're normally on like a after hours event.
Yeah.
Together.
Next and final Lightning Lane is Star Tours, but I'm not that fussed about doing it. So Miles and I are going to go for a little mooch. Mum, Dad and Dean are going to go ride the ride, and then we're going to head back to the resort. We're going to go on the Skyliner so that if Miles falls asleep, he can just be wheeled on. Game changer. Yeah, game changer resort. Being able to just do that on the Skyliner.
I did suggest walking back, but everyone laughed at me.
And then this evening we are going to go get dinner at Riviera.
Give us a nose pad. Oh, that's so sweet. Peekaboo. 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 You watching inside? Look at that. So cool. Wow. Oh, what a silly puppy. Yay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, bye, Blueberry.
go. Thank you. We're gonna go. And we're flying.
Oh, we're flying like Peter Pan.
Ooh, wow. What do you think, Myles? Good evening. We have had a little freshen up. I think the last time that we filmed was the Character Palooza at Hollywood Studios, which was both inside and outside the park.
So if you didn't have park tickets and could get in there without paying for parking, great place to meet characters for free.
But you have no idea when they're going to be there.
No.
I think it was an absolute fluke. So,
Yeah, but it's just struck me that they're
straight
outside.
on. But we have come to thank you. We've come to Riviera for dinner because we were going to go out, but it got a little bit later than planned. And on the Skyliner, as we've mentioned a couple of times, Myles can stay in his pram and he's fast asleep. So yeah, he's
in here.
yeah. And we thought, you know what, this is just so much easier. So we are heading to the quick service here. I've done a mobile order. We're going to grab a table and have something to eat. Yeah, it's really nice. Like Mum and Dad, as if they like know the way. Straight on.
We're going to Riviera.
It's a huge hotel. Looks nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. This is only a couple of years old. This.
Yeah, this used to be Caribbean Beach.
Yeah, until they knocked it down. Well, they knocked some of it down. And they have freestyle machines.
Excellent. Review of your dinner, sir. Was Bot Pot good? Was it? Alright, too busy enjoying that? Quit ignoring me. Just spotted a really cool magic band. Most overpriced snack in Disney,
I
but
know, but
they
fancy
are what they are.
It is time. What are you? Team Mickey Premium Bar? The wrong choice. Or Team Ice Cream Sandwich? The correct choice.
Yeah, some would
Leave a
disagree.
comment below.
Some would definitely disagree. And that someone would be me. I mean, the sandwiches aren't bad, but the chocolate on the outside of that ice cream bar is good. How's your ice cream sandwich, Bill? A disaster just struck me. The bit of ice cream, the bit of chocolate I was saving, fell on the floor.
It was a whole Mickey face trace as well.
Yeah.
It looked so sad.
Holiday's ruined. There's probably about 12 quid worth of chocolate.
Yeah.
Lucky the ice cream's good though.
17 minutes.
Is it? Perfect.
17 minutes to what?
No, that's how long the Epcot fireworks are.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot.
Oh, even better. Look at that.
We managed to time that to perfection. Yeah, that was so nice. Absolutely love watching the fireworks from the Skyliner. The only thing that would make it better is if they pumped in the music.
That would be great.
It'd be so good. But for now, we are back at the resort. It's only 9:25, so it's not too bad. We are going to crash. We're going to crash hard. Little man needs to go to sleep. And then...
No, not do sleep till later. Because yeah, such late now.
No, 10 o'clock, so I think we're all good. You said 10, yeah.
Half 9, yeah.
So we've got a non-park day tomorrow, apart from going to Disney Springs, obviously not a park, in the evening.
But I think your mum and you would argue it's probably better than some parts.
Another shot.
We do. So stay tuned for another vlog where we head out and about off-site in the morning, have a bit of a chill, and then Disney Springs in the evening. If you're still with us, thank you so much for watching. Please hit like if you enjoyed,
And subscribe.
and we will see you very soon. Bye.
Might be over tomorrow.